What are the most common issues we're finding for commercial investors on an equity PCA? My name is Britt. I'm the owner of WBTreece Consultants and WBTC3.com and the owner of this awesome beard. The issues you need to look for in your equity PCA report are generally these. There's only 3 or 4 that really come up as big ticket items. The parking lot, depending on the size of the parking lot, sometimes the sidewalks and the curbs. The roof. Everybody talks about the roof. How old is it? What's the square footage? What's the pitch? All that good stuff. The HVAC systems. The HVAC systems are the one thing in your PMEs that get replaced over and over and over again pretty regularly. If you've got a multifamily building, or you have a lot of tenants, or it's a hotel space, you may also have interior finishes, FF&E. But those are going to be your 3 or 4 big costs. Those are the most common big costs that we see in equity PCA reporting.